Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing how I created this cute little journaling page. And I started off by cutting out nearly all of the pieces through the road trip mini album. You could use this as a mini album by itself if you like. You can see one of those large dies there in the background has the hole, so you can definitely use this as an album and it would have a good size. But I wanted this to be sort of one of the pages in my journal, and I wanted also to cut the big journal page from this month's collection, which I really liked and wanted to share how great that product actually is. And yeah, so that will be my focal point for this project. So no, sorry, this will be my focal point, but the other one will be sort of the main album for this. There was another album released this month, and that was the hang on, I have it here, the Scalloped mini album. It was really good. I will share some pieces from that album as well. I didn't end up using the entire album for this project, but you will see it in this video. So you can see now I spent some time cutting all of my elements out, and now we can go ahead and start assembling everything. I love this pattern paper that I used, and I love this pattern paper. I think it's so cute and retro, and I love the rainbows that we will have here for one of the pieces for this van. Really cute, and I love the teal paper in the background. So I used it for our frames for our front windows, and I also use it for the, like, can you say tail light? No, it's not, it's called something else, front light probably, or something. Really cute. And I also did a combination of this matte gold cardstock that I'm obsessed with. It's from Alta New. It's one of my go-to specialty papers. I really love it. Of course I use some foam just to give it some more dimension. And the registration sign that says road also got cut out of gold, and you can see I just inlaid all of the pieces for the letters back into that frame, and you can have your sort of sign in different colors if you like. I just kept mine gold and the background of the paper itself, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think this turned out really cute. And you can definitely have this as a front of a mini album. You can see this is a good size. But you will see here the journaling pages that I cut. And I will now start assembling this. And I like that this is quite big, and that the beautiful paper here has all of the lines for your journaling. And that you can have it front and back. I think that is really cute. And it's quite sturdy with those 6 different holes that you will sort of have attached together. So I will go ahead and attach the last ones down, and we can see how cute this is. These frames are cut from the Scalloped mini album, and you can see you can layer them up. No, sorry, they are not from the mini album. I think those, yeah, they are from the mini album. I thought these hooks were a little bit too big, so I will switch them out to a smaller size. But this is something you could use if you have a ton of pages in your journaling. You can really make it grow to the size you like. I decorated my little car, and you can see here in the background I had a piece from the shadow box that was released this month. I have some letters from the holiday word set, and also some flowers to that page one more time. So really cute how this all comes together. The little airplane and the Scalloped mini album were also released this month, and I think those are the perfect embellishments for projects like this. And I just wanted to share that you can have them in this project, but you can definitely have them on more pages or just as a embellishment for your traveling journal this summer. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I will be back soon with some more content featuring the new release from Scrap Diva, and until then, have a great day. Bye!